5 up bun styles for short locks. So today I'm going to be sharing 5 up bun styles that have helped me out so far so good. I rock this every day. I love it and I'm like, okay, I need to go share it. This is Lola Lock Life, a channel where I am documenting my lock journey. I am currently 10-month locked and I've been trying to figure it out every step of the way. And do not forget, I'm still your girl Lola Classic. So let's get right into the video. If you're new here, don't forget to turn on your notification bell, hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. I have some beautiful lock accessories on that I created, and if you also love them and would love to get yours, kindly message me on Instagram at Lola Classic Craft to get yours now. The first style is leaving your locks the way it is, like all down. You know, I just wanted to show this that okay, not all the time that you need to pack your hair into a hot bun. Sometimes you can just let it breathe. Do you understand? Outside of like 7 days a week, 5 days a week, in those 7 days I could actually rock my hair like this with my lock jewelry. You know, it's so beautiful and it's simple. So just know that you don't have to always tighten it, you don't have to always manipulate it, but you can leave your lock like this too, and it's a beautiful style to have on. Let's get into the up bun. What you just been needing is a bunny. Like I used to say it, like all this, you need to get it. If you have locks, you need to get it pack up this. Do you understand? You know, because you're going to be styling your hair into different things and you don't want to go without it. So if you have that, you don't have problems at all. Getting into the second style, yikes, just take your bun. I'm using the black one today. Sometimes I just go with the colors that I feel like going with, you know. So we're going to be packing our locks like in the middle, leaving some of the front, you know. So just pack the middle. Like I think this is like a, what do we even call it, hot bun, half, whatever. I don't know the name, but it's just such a beautiful style to always try, you know, just easy. And then you pack the second side too. This is how it looks like at the back. I just wanted you guys to see that, and you want to be detailed enough. So you take another bun again and pack it the same way you packed the first one. So just pack it up, you know. And it's that simple. It's very beautiful. Do not waste your time doing something too tedious on your locks. Too much manipulation, too much tension could actually damage your locks, and I used to say that a lot. So tight this too tight too, oh, headache can come from it. So you need to be really like careful not to over tight your locks and your scalp, and because of pains and stuff like that. So this is how the style comes out. You have the back, you know, doing its thing, you have the base doing its thing, you have the up bun doing its thing, and you can see the beautiful luxury too is giving it a statement, making it look different. So yikes, I hope you guys love. So let's get into the third style. I don't even know the name to call this, but what I know is that I just pick the middle part of my locks right on my head and then pick it up and then leave the other parts down. So this is what I am currently doing. I've packed one side and I'm just going to go to the next side to do the same thing. So you can see just like in the middle of like the head, you still have some part of the locks dropped, and it's just so simple. I really like this because it's one of my go-tos, because it's simple. Like I could just have this one in seconds and I'm out. Do you understand? Especially maybe that day I don't feel like dropping my locks fully, like the way I told you in the first hairstyle. Like if I don't feel like doing that, I just go for this, and I think it's something that you should go to if you have short locks too. So let's get into the fourth lock style. I'm so excited to show you this. So it's just similar to the third lock style I showed, but this is for people that have like a little length to their locks. So why I showed that first one is because some of us, our locks is not like long enough for us to like pack it to just one up bun in the center of our head. Do you understand? But if your locks is already like long enough, I know it's short locks, but like if it's long enough just like mine, you would be able to achieve this look. You understand? So when you are packing, please be careful. I know that we with locks, we become very tender-headed, and you know, little things, or it's just like the way I was trying to pack this now, I just felt like slight pain. But it's all good, it's not bad. I didn't tie it too much and came out looking good. It's fine, I like it. Hope you do too. So this is something that you can try. No, though I've not had a retwist here. I was ready to do for a retwist, but I just wanted to show the style that okay, even with the retwist or without the retwist, you can still rock your locks any way that you like. Do you understand? Fifth short lock style that you should try. So this one is similar to one of the styles that I've shown, but this time we are packing it into a bun. Like when I say into a bun, you understand, like we'll split the locks into two. Half of it we're packing it up, the second half too we're packing it up. So yikes, you can see I was having this pain just to just pack my locks, and it's not even tight. Oh god, it's not easy to keep locks at all. But that's what I was doing. I'm going to do it for the next side too, just like tushuku. If you're in Nigeria, you understand what tushuku is, tushuku and bees. So that's what I'm literally just packing with this. And instead of making the shuku to be in the middle of, like, you know, the pack of the locks, I'm taking it to the side of the locks, so it give me this young, you know, girly kind of look and feel. That's why I really do like it. So yikes, this is me just doing my thing. Take your time, like I would say, do not stress too much, do not make it too tight, because I don't want us having headaches. Do you understand? And when you are back from wherever you are styling these locks to, when you come back, please be cool. I am begging you guys, lose your hair from whatever bun you've packed it, so that it can like have its freedom and you can breathe well. So that will be all. I just hope these styles help you, you know, style your locks better and finer and cutesy. Well, I just have all the old things to say. I just keep saying it, but I just hope it helps you out though. And if you like to watch and see more videos of mine, don't forget to turn on your notification bell, comment, like, and share this video to somebody who might need it. So like, come your way next time. Still your girl Lola Classic, and of course, you know, I'm bringing something beautiful your way again. So yikes, bye for now, and stay locked in, queens and kings. Bye.